In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on LinkedIn with an image in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're aiming to share valuable insights, company updates, or simply engage with your professional network, incorporating images into your posts can significantly increase visibility and interaction. So let's get started. First up, you'll need to log into your LinkedIn account. Head over to the LinkedIn website. Here you can choose to sign in using your Google account for convenience or continue with your LinkedIn account credentials. Occasionally, LinkedIn will ask you to complete a CAPTCHA for added security measures, so don't be startled if you see one. This is just LinkedIn making sure that you're not a robot trying to access their platform. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn feed. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the Start a Post option at the top of your feed. It's pretty easy to find, and it's your gateway to sharing content with your network. Click on it to open up the post creation window. At this point, you might have a text or message in mind that you want to share, but let's not forget we're here to add an image to our post. Look for the Add Media option in the post creation window. It's here that you can browse through your computer's files and select the image you wish to upload. Choose your image carefully, make sure it is clear, relevant to your post content, and most importantly, it must adhere to LinkedIn's user guidelines. Once your image is selected, click Save to attach it to your post. But we're not quite done yet. Adding a thoughtful or informative text alongside your image can provide context to your audience and encourage more engagement. Take a moment to type out your message. It could be insights, a question to your network, or a brief description of the image. Whatever it is, make sure it complements your image and adds value to your viewers. Finally, with your image and text ready to go, it's time to share your post with the world. Simply click on Post to publish it. And voila, you've successfully created and shared a post with an image on LinkedIn. Remember, engaging visually with your professional network can greatly enhance the reach and impact of your messages. So, don't hesitate to use images in your posts to capture attention and stimulate engagement. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you're now more confident in creating and sharing image-based posts on LinkedIn. Keep experimenting with different types of content to see what resonates best with your audience. Happy posting!